Namaste. In the other two videos, I was talking about setting up a goal, how to visualize, the power of visualization. Okay, these things have to be practiced regularly. Like you are taking a habit of this thing. You have plenty number of habits. Consuming coffee early in the morning and in the afternoon and during evening. Whether you like it or not, once you create a habit in the subconscious brain, consciously or without your knowledge, you are tempted to take coffee on that particular timing. That is the power of the mind. For instance, you want to wake up daily by 5 o'clock early in the morning or 4 o'clock early in the morning, and you don't have a habit of this thing, waking up. What you do? You set the alarm for 4 o'clock. So, at the stroke of 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock, as per the alarm you fixed, the alarm bell rings. You wake up. The system is being continued for 1 week, 1 month, 2 months, 10 months, 1 year. After some time later, before the alarm rings, without your conscious, you wake up. After you wake up, the bell rings, the alarm rings. Human mind, it is being activated on certain programs. Without programming anything, nothing will be done. See, at the stroke of 8:30 or 9 o'clock, you feel hungry. You need breakfast. At the stroke of 1 o'clock or in between 2 o'clock, you feel hungry, appetite. At the stroke of night 7:30 and 8:30, you feel hungry. Are you using any alarm? No. It has become a habit. It has been programmed. See, the addictions. I have an habit of smoking. Normally the smokers, after they drink coffee, they want to smoke. After they eat something, they want to smoke. Or at the stroke of 7:30 or 8 o'clock, people who are consuming alcohol, they are tempted or they are voluntarily compelled to take the alcohol at the stroke of 8 o'clock without setting up any alarm. That is the power of the mind. That is programmed. When certain bad things are programmed in the mind, why can't you program certain good things in the mind? So many negatives are being programmed. You are hating your father, it has been programmed. You don't like your boss, that is programmed. You don't like your wife, that is programmed. Repeatedly, when you see the manager, you dislike him. Whenever your wife, she comes to you and she is interested in discussing certain things with you, you are not interested. It is programmed. When certain bad things, unwanted things are capable of being programmed in the subconscious brain, why don't you program certain things which is going to elevate you to the higher stage? It is possible. All these things unconsciously, without you do any meditation, active meditation, it is being done. Without knowing the driving, You have not learnt the driving. Okay, once I give a car, you know this is gear, this is steering, and this is brake, this is clutch, everything you know. Without knowing the driving, if I give the car key, whether you make the accident or not, that is immaterial. You are able to move the car. It is possible. If that is the case, if you go to a driving training center, learn the art perfectly for 15 days or 1 month, you become expert in driving. Likewise, once you learn this creative meditation, active meditation, scientific meditation, how to program the mind, how to reprogram the mind. Once you know the technique, once you start meditating morning, afternoon, evening, or whenever you find time, meditate, sit and meditate. It is going to be programmed. Maybe within a month or within 6 months. Like addiction, certain things are being addicted. It is nothing but a program. Human brain, like a computer, there are so many programs are there. Like human brain is also, there are plenty number of programs are there. Whether you want the program or not, already it is being programmed. All positive and negative emotions, most of the occasions, negatives are being programmed. Positive things, it is not interested. The subconscious brain is not interested with positive things. You see, there are so many things are happening in your life. You hate your father. Certain things, your father did not give it to you. When you were a child, your father did not consider or did not give certain things. But he struggled a lot to give you education. Now you have become an engineer. You have become a chartered accountant. You have become a doctor. For which your parents, they struggled a lot. They have paid the fee. Those things you forget. Whatever good things your father had given to you, you forget all those things, and whichever thing your father did not give it to you, those things you feel very bad. And you hate your father. That is the power of the mind. When certain bad things are programmed, whether you want it or not, programmed. Once you know the technology, meditation, active meditation technology, visualization technology, visualize yourself. What is the thing you need for your future? What do you want to become for your future? Your permanent life goal. All these things, if you visualize, automatically it is being programmed. Got it? Okay. For personal goal and social goal, I told you the monetary benefits what you are going to gain. That has to be visualized. For spiritual goal, what is spirituality? Philosophy. Spirituality is attached to philosophy. If you are attached to money, automatically you are attached to the material. You cannot read the spirituality. But even in spirituality also, money is needed. But that money is not for you. It is for the general public. You have to visualize. You want to construct a temple. You want to construct a hospital for the general public. You need money for that. Even that also you need money. You have to visualize. That is not for your personal thing. Got it? Spiritual goal programming is different. I will tell you how you have to program the spiritual goal in a different video. Got it? The social goal, even the social goal is also, it is also a general public service. Without expecting anything, doing something is also a social service. And the Prime Minister of India, it is also a social, but he is getting some remuneration. But there also you got to visualize. Social, again there are two categories. You are getting some remuneration and you are not getting any remuneration. Spiritual goal, you are not at all getting any remuneration. Don't confuse yourself. All these things you got to plan up yourself. Before putting it in the chart, you have to visualize the conscious state and then go to the subconscious level, visualize the same thing. Got it? These meditation, don't think that only twice you have to do it. You have 1 hour for lunch. You finish off your this thing within 15 minutes. Another 45 minutes. What you do? Go to your chamber. You can relax for the 45 minutes. You are allowed to consume 1 hour for lunch. You are finishing up your lunch within 15 minutes. Another 45 minutes left. What you do on that 45 minutes? Don't waste your time. Consume at least 10 minutes. Close your eye and then meditate. Like that, if you make it a habit, instantaneously, don't count 10 also. 1, 2, 3. You go to the subconscious level, alpha stage. 1, 2, 3. A stage will come, even this 1, 2, 3 is not needed. To go to the alpha stage, close your eye, lift your eyeball, you go to the alpha stage. Program, visualize. For 1 minute, it is sufficient. Whenever you find time, close your eye, visualize for a minute. Enough. Till it is being embossed, registered, programmed, you got to do it. Got it? This is how you have to program the goal. The same way you have to put the temporary goals also. The permanent, I told you permanent goal. The same thing you have to take up for temporary also. The temporary goal always should be attached with the permanent goal. You have to visualize the temporary goal. Simultaneously, you got to visualize the permanent goal. The temporary goal should have connection with the permanent goal. You want to buy a car, that is your permanent goal. Got it? Now you have a cycle. Got it? You have a cycle. Unless otherwise you buy a bike, you cannot go to buy a car. You have to elevate yourself to buy a bike. Then only after getting the monetary benefit after some time later, you can buy a car. So visualize the bike as well visualize the car. Instead of buying a car, that is your permanent goal, if you visualize a helicopter, don't confuse yourself. Got it? It should have some link. The temporary goal and permanent goal should have a link. And don't club the personal goal, social goal and spiritual goal. If you meditate early in the morning, the permanent goal, you have to fix up certain other time for visualize or meditate for the social goal. Fix up some other time for the spiritual goal meditation. Don't club all these three goals together and meditate simultaneously. Nothing will happen. Got it? Thank you.